You want to get down there right in front? We can do a...
No, we're good. For right now, I'll go down next.
Hi.
You wave hello?
Can you wave to the camera?
Zach, can you wave hi?
Okay, what do we say?
Go.
Ready, set, go!
You got the set and go, but... Come here, Sam. Sam, come. Sam. Come here.
Okay. Cool.
I see something down there. Another dog. A dog or a deer?
Yeah, oh yeah, there's a string coming off your gloves. Yeah, just the one.
Stay here, Sam. Stay.